Does senior secondary physics and maths feel like a different language? Don't let complex formulas hold you back.
Hi, and welcome to Juddy Productions. I'm Mark Judd, and I specialise in breaking down the toughest topics into simple bite-sized lessons that you can understand.
Whether you're struggling with motion, mastering statistics, or just need to ace your upcoming exams, we've got the tutorials you need to boost your grades and your confidence. Join our community of students excelling in physics and maths. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
Let's make physics and maths your favourite subjects. I'm Mark Judd, and I'll see you in the next video.